If you want a family home with a great yard in a quiet neighborhood in one of the best suburbs in the Greater Vancouver area, I've got the perfect property for you. Today, I'm hosting an open house in Queensborough in New Westminster, and I'm going to show you what you and your family can get for $1.33 million. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about real estate in the Greater Vancouver area, subscribe below. Tap the bell for notifications to be the first to learn what's going on in the current market. My name is Megan Becker, local realtor. Myself and my team get calls every day from people looking to make this incredible area their home. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, text, or email, and I'm excited to tour you around the greatest area in Canada. Let's first talk about Queensborough. So this is a community in the city of New Westminster, and it's in a very cool location. It's on Lulu Island on the eastern tip, just off the Fraser River. So it's accessible by 2 bridges, and you really have this almost like your own secluded community feel. And my 5 favorite things about this community are, number 1, you can see right behind me, is all of the nature. You really get this in the middle of nature, this secluded community vibe. This is the Fraser River right here. You've got lots of parks, lots of green space, trails like this that I'm walking along here. The second thing that I love about this community is the affordability. I'm going to take you on a tour of a single family home here. And one of the things people really like about New Westminster, specifically Queensborough, is the value that you get for your money here. So you can get a 16-year-old 4-bedroom family home with a great yard in a quiet neighborhood for under $1.4 million. So whether you're looking for a family home or an affordable condo, it's a really great area to get into the market at affordable prices. The third thing that I love about Queensborough is you're so well connected to really anywhere in the Lower Mainland. Depending on the time of day, you can pretty much get anywhere within 20-25 minutes. You're well connected to downtown Vancouver, to the Tri-Cities. Burnaby is right next door. Surrey is just across the bridge. Delta, Ladner, Richmond is right next door. The fourth thing that I love about this community is it's very family orientated. There's been people that have lived here over a decade. They've raised their kids here. It's a very safe environment. If you want a neighborhood that you can just let your kids, go play with the neighbors' kids, go to the park. You're not having to worry about, safety or things like that. I mean, you always want to worry about that kind of stuff, but there's definitely areas that I'd be more inclined to let kids kind of have a run of the playground in the neighborhood versus other neighborhoods. And you've got tons of options as far as like green space like this. Kids can ride their bike along trails like this, or going to different playgrounds. And the fifth thing that I love about Queensborough is you're very well connected for transportation options. One of my favorite forms of transportation here is the Q2Q ferry. So this is a passenger ferry. It's a smaller ferry, and it goes from Queensborough here up to the quay in New West. It's about 10 or so minutes to get across there, but it allows you to get over to New West if you want to be connected to the SkyTrain there, or if you need to get to downtown New West, or hey, you want an evening out with your friends and you don't want to drive, jump on the ferry and head over there, go meet your friends for drinks, and then take the ferry back home. And it's just a fun way to commute back to your home, and you almost feel like you're coming back to this kind of secluded community that really is all yours. Now that hopefully you've fallen in love with Queensborough as much as I have, let's go take a tour of 295 Furness Street. Imagine relaxing on this veranda watching the sunset, or turning on the fire and cozying up in this window seat with a book. Host large family dinners in your formal dining space. Enjoy separate kitchen with space for another living area, meet-up bar, and workspace. Let's head upstairs now. Enjoy the convenience of upstairs laundry. Your east-facing primary with a large walk-in closet. Large window for natural light and to catch the gorgeous sunset. And your 4-piece ensuite. The rest of the upper level features a 4-piece main bath, and 3 other bedrooms for kids, office, guest room, workout room, or whatever you desire. Let's head outside now. Enjoy the back deck for summer barbecues. Embrace your green thumb with one of the largest lots in the neighborhood. Perfect for kids, pets, and the whole family. And lane access to your double car garage. You're going to love the quiet neighborhood of Queensborough. Thanks for joining me on the tour today. I hope you got value from this video. If you did find value, I'd love for you to like and subscribe. It tells YouTube that you're enjoying this content and encourages me to keep making more. If you're curious about New Westminster or any area in the Greater Vancouver area, all my info is in the description box below. One of my favorite things to do is help people relocate or move within the Greater Vancouver area. So please reach out. I would love to chat. And until next time, I'm going to continue and go for a walk along the river here in New West.